is Sven from Union Repair, and now we are getting more and more orders for the thermal camera, and we are getting more and more positive feedback from customers because the customer said it helps them to diagnose the problem of the motherboard in a very fast way. You know that one of the biggest problem for motherboard repair is that it takes too much time to troubleshoot the issue of the motherboard. And with this thermal camera, you can just find out the issue of the motherboard. For example, the electric leakage or the short circuit in like 1 minute. So, but there are still a few, let me see, just several customers, they are asking how to build up this device, how to install the device. It's actually very simple to assemble the device, but now still I'd like to make a short video to show you how to build up the device. Now let's check it out. Okay, let's unbox this device. It has only several parts here. These are some screws, some cables, and the power supply. Okay, now we have already taken all the parts out of the package. So let's check out how to build up the camera. Oh yes, before we build up this camera, I'd like to introduce this is the heart of the device, and this is the camera. You can see there are two cameras here. This is just the normal camera, the visible light camera. It is come with an 1080 pixel camera, and this is the thermal camera. Now let's try to build up the camera.
Yeah. No.
No. Oh. Okay, there are two screws here. I always have trouble because I'm left-handed, so I always have trouble to always screw up the screws. But trust me, it's easy to build up the camera. Okay. The camera's another screw. Okay, there's a small platform here. This is an anti-static mat here. Now there are only two parts. This is the power supply. So we need to connect to the power supply. And this cable is an internet cable. This cable is for connecting the thermal camera with the computer. And some customers, they're asking why you are using the internet cable instead of the USB cable. Because you need to transfer big amount of data with this thermal camera. And with this internet cable, it helps to transfer a big amount of data with this cable. And I got some customers, they're asking I'm not using a laptop. I'm using a normal PC, so it has no Wi-Fi connected. So if I use this internet cable, I have to disconnect the internet with my PC. So how can I link to internet? The thing is that you can connect this to your router, and it also helps to transfer the data if you just connect this cable to the rotor. So now let's connect this thermal camera with the computer. Okay. Now let me see the thermal camera is already set up. So what you need to do is just to 这怎么打开？啊？ So let's turn on the computer. 密码？没有密码。Okay, let's just go directly to the software. Okay, this is the software. So what you need to do is just to open the software. Okay, so it is automatically connect to the software with the thermal camera. So let's try a little bit. 你有打火机吗？这个能用吗？
没有气，没有气。
这么，
你要看看，
你试一下，放一个。
手就可以试了。
Okay, now it's connecting to the computer, to the software. So I will show you in another video to show you how it works, how it diagnoses the issue of the motherboard. And this video is just to show you how to set up the thermal camera, and that's all for today's video, how to set up the thermal camera. And for more videos, you can check my YouTube channel, and I will show you more cases how to use this thermal camera to diagnose the PCB issues. And that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.